Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sing Vlogs. Today's product, as we've understood from the thumbnail again, it is regarding a gaming mouse. It is again in the segment of gaming, and basically it is not a gaming mouse. Even a professional in the professional world, person who are graphic editors who want a precision in their workflow as they perform it on the computer, this mouse will be really nice for those people. And basically, this mouse is having many features. Let's look at it one by one. It comes in this box. You can check out the box in the video coming ahead. There will be a b-roll. So let's understand the features first. Basically, this mouse works on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which is a wireless frequency, and all the Wi-Fi devices, basically it's a common frequency for them. And I absolutely face no problem in the connection of this mouse to my computer itself. It comes with a wireless dongle, which is a small dongle which you need to enter to the computer's USB port, and after that this is a plug and play mouse. You don't need to install any drivers. Just by clicking the button it starts working, and there is no additional software which you need to install on your computer. So it's a plug and play, you can tell it in that sort of a manner. And secondly, this mouse, the company is telling that it is registered for 10 million clicks. That means the quality of the buttons. I personally have used it and I've loved the quality. It is giving a very good tactile feed in pressing the buttons, and the command also is going very nicely. The input command, as you press the button, their response time is really good. Immediately you get to see the results on the computer screen. It is really nice, very tactile. And also this mouse comes with 4 DPI setting gear. There is a button on top of the mouse which you need to press, and there are 4 settings of DPI in this mouse, right, ranging from 800 DPI to 1200 to 1600 to 3200. These are 4 settings of DPI which you are getting in this mouse. Basically, as the DPI level increases, the smoothness of the mouse increases, and also you get much precision in terms of usage of the mouse. Apart from this, there are 7 modes of lighting in this mouse. There are 7 colors of lights which are basically derived from RGB lightings, which is red, green and blue, and it gives a very interesting look to the mouse. The build of the mouse is also really nice, and the lighting effect gives an additional advantage to the overall looks of the mouse. You will get to see that in the b-roll coming ahead. And apart from that, the usage, the mouse has actually 6 programmable buttons. These buttons can be programmed by the individual software on which you are using the mouse. The 2 buttons are the left click, right click, the center scroll wheel. It's also a button. You can press that and program that for your usage. There is a top button which is the DPI setting buttons, and apart from that there are 2 flank buttons which are on the left side of the mouse, and you can use that in terms of gaming. If you want to game and you have to specifically program these buttons for your weapons, for taking out many other advantages out of the game, these buttons are easily programmable. So I really love this feature that there are 6 programmable buttons on this mouse. And apart from that, regarding the smoothness in case of a gameplay, I have absolutely loved this mouse. The mouse itself is using Windows Precision driver, or in case if you are using it on a Macintosh or Apple product, it will be using the Apple driver. So in that case, the smoothness of the mouse is really nice. It completely gets in sync with the operating system on which you are operating the mouse. So the smoothness and all, it's absolutely brilliant. It maintains the smoothness. And apart from that, we'll talk ahead in terms of what the battery this mouse is offering. Yes, this mouse is having an internal battery. You don't need to connect any external battery or a alkaline battery into this mouse. You don't need to enter that. This is having an inbuilt battery. We'll speak regarding that battery and what are the battery records of this mouse. But first, check out the b-roll, because it takes a lot of effort in making such b-roll. So just go ahead and check it out, and we'll come back to the studio and we'll discuss about the battery life. So this is the bottom of the mouse, and there is a button given over here which is actually for switching on the mouse. The first position is off and the second position is the mouse will start but the lights won't glow. Then the second position, and the third position is for the RGB lighting. When you shift, the RGB lighting of the mouse starts. As you can see, the RGB lighting has started, and the mouse bottom is really nice. It is comfortable to hold. Also the mouse is considerable in size, and there is a rubber padding over here which is given, which is really nice because this makes the mouse to run smooth on any surface on which you are using. And there is a branding over here, and there is a 5 volt 5 milliampere rating mentioned over here, which is required to run the mouse. And in case of a scenario when you're traveling and you want to carry this mouse, there is a very good provision given over here. As you can see, this is the wireless receiver. You can enter the receiver on the bottom of the mouse over here, and it goes inside, fits in very smoothly, and you don't need to carry it separately. So there is a provision, a pocket given over here to carry the USB receiver of the mouse. Hey guys, so I hope you like the B-roll and hope you got an idea about the product. Coming on to the product's battery life, the company has promised a 7-day battery life on this product, but my personal use, after I have used this mouse for gaming and also for my editing work, I've got around 9 to 8 days of battery life out of this mouse. And the charging of this mouse is really simple. You get a micro USB cable, as you have seen in the video itself. You get a micro USB cable, which is this cable supplied by the company inside the box. So you just need to connect the cable to your computer's USB, and the other end, which is the micro end of the cable, goes inside the mouse. There is a port on the mouse which is a micro USB port, so the mouse starts charging. And one more benefit is that when you are charging the mouse, very less brands have that. When you are charging the mouse can also be used when it is connected wiredly to your computer. So that is a very good thing. Like whenever your mouse gets disconnected, you just need to connect it through the wire and you can still use the mouse. And me personally, as I've told you, I got a 9 to 10 days battery life out of this mouse, because what happens is that this mouse comes with an inbuilt technology. Whenever you are not sitting on your computer and you go away from your computer, the mouse has a dedicated cutoff period which is around 8 minutes. So whenever you go, the mouse will definitely cut off and it starts conserving the battery. It preserves the battery for a longer usage. So that's a very good thumbs up. And regarding the Wi-Fi receiving strength, the mouse is having a dedicated strength of around 10 meters. That means you can use the mouse away from the PC, take it to a distance of 10 meters, and still you will be able to use the mouse with same softness and the same precision level. That's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like today's video. A new product, a new device, and you know the regular drill on our channel, what we do on our channel. If you like the video, thumbs would be appreciated. If you love the video, subs would be appreciated. Please press the bell notification icon so that you get the notification of my upcoming videos on your device. Till then, have a nice day. Take care.